Morning student, I am Praveen Kumar, your science subject teacher for class 10th. In this chapter of biology, first chapter, that is the life process and nutrition, we have studied the nutrition and the mechanism of digestion in human beings and photosynthesis reaction in plant, and how the plant form their food and how we have get our food from plant and digest it, and some exercise also. First we have to moving the point, that is the nutrition and its meaning. And the nutrition is a process of intake as well as utilization of nutrient by an organism. Or nutrients are the substance which is essential for our biosynthesis of our body and constituents. Mode of nutrition, there are two type of mode of nutritions, that is autotropics and heterotropic. They are main two categories in this line, that is all organisms require food, and both the manner in which they are obtained food be the different in different organisms. Thus the basis of mode of obtain of food, the nutrition in the various organisms can broadly be divided into two categories, that is autotropic and heterotropics. In this line diagram we have clear that mode of nutrition, there are two types, autotropic nutrition and heterotropic. The autotropic are those which form their food by themselves, and heterotropic are those which do not form their own food, they are depend on autotrophs. In heterotropic category there are three types, that is saprophytic, parasitic and holozoic nutrition. And the definition, the autotrophic mode of nutrition can be defined as the type of which organism prepare its own food by using sunlight and the simple inorganic raw material like carbon dioxide, water. This is known as autotrophic nutrition. Are green plants performing autotrophic nutritions, like the plant use the sunlight and carbon dioxide, water, they convert their chemical in their sunlight and raw material into starch and carbohydrates. Heterotropic mode of nutrition, the heterotropics a type of nutrition in which energy is derived from the intaken and digestion of organic substance, normally of a plant or another sources, are known as heterotropic mode of nutrition. In heterotropic nutrition, organic substance present in the food are first broken down into simple form inside the body of the organism, and this process of simplification of component of food is known as digestion. And digestion have three steps like ingestion, then fat assimilation, and egestion is the last step of digestion. And all heterotrophs performing this. Saprophytic mode of nutrition, sapro means rotten, and those small organ or organ which disintegrate the organic material from their. Saprophytic nutrition referred to the mode of in which organisms obtain their nutrient from the dead and decaying rotten organic material, and these organisms does not obtain food from any living organism. And in this mode of, the organism release some digestive enzyme on the food outside of its body, and the enzymes simplify the food, and after simplifying the food absorb the organic organism. This type of nutrition is known as saprophytic nutrition. In example, fungi, mushroom, agaricus, mold, rhizospus, yeast, Saccharomyces, they have known the mode of nutrition, that is saprophyte. And parasitic nutrition, para means other. The parasitic nutrition refers to the mode of nutrition in which organ obtain their food from the living organism without killing them, and such organisms are called parasite. All pathogens are have this type of mode of nutrition. And organism from which parasite obtain their food is known as host. Examples like various fungi, Stylogopaccinia albo, and the higher plants such as Cuscuta, Amarbel, and many animals like Plasmodium, roundworm, Ascaris, tapeworm, Taenia solium, leech, lice, tick, and many bacteria are just an example of Cuscuta, Trypanosoma, and tapeworm. Holozoic nutrition. In holozoic nutrition, organism does not absorb the food particle from its body surface. Instead, it takes the whole food or the article. That is, holozoic nutrition is a mode of nutrition in which organism actively intake of food with the help of some special mechanism, and this intake of food is called ingestion. Example, this mode of found in mainly in the animal like cockroach, earthworm, frog, human beings, and some protists, the protozoans like amoeba and paramecium.